doon ako nagugulat, no? Kasi like you said, no, when he was campaigning, a lot of us believed him. So that's number one, parang for me, magaling manloko.
Yeah,
no?
budol
Talagang
na, mami.
deceitful, parang he was able to really fool an entire nation. No? That's why we call him Budol-Budol Man.
At ang isang packaging niya, Atty. Glenn, and we don't know if you will agree, yung kanyang pagbabait-baitan, soft-spoken, yung kanyang PR packaging, ay parang magsisimpatya ka sa kanya because nakikita mo yung sincerity niya na makabangon sila. Tama ba, Atty. Glenn? Yun ba nakikita mong PR packaging? O
Actually,
did you give them hope during that time na totoo yun, sincero siya doon?
In reality naman, mabait yung lalaki. In reality, ha?
What's your definition of mabait? I'm curious. What does mabait mean?
Mabait in the sense na, ano siya,
Hindi pala away?
he does not really, pag inaway mo yan, hindi siya,
yung confrontational.
Hindi siya. He's not that confrontational.
That's your definition of mabait?
No, that's only one.
Okay.
But kung magaling din siya magdrama. Kasi nabudol tayo eh. Imagine, ma'am, sir, ako tayong professionals na marami tayong professionals,
maybe what you mean
educated.
What you mean is he doesn't want, he's non-confrontational.
Hindi talaga siya confrontational. Hindi
Is that
siya,
what you mean by mabait?
No, that's only one. That's only one.
Yun ang display of pagiging mabait na nakita ni Atty.
Oo,
Pero
yun ang
actually,
nakikita mo sa
kasi yung sinabi mo, Eric, parang mabait. Ganyan. Pero actually,
nagbabait-bait.
he's also the brains behind a lot of these sinister moves by the government. Diba? Yung People's Initiative, diba? That sort of thing.
Yung pagbubusal sa SMNI, yung operations ni Tambalos-Los, may signal niya.
I think they come from the wife.
With his consent.
Of course. With his, he's being pliant. Pliant talaga siya. Kumbaga sa bamboo pa siya, ganun.
Tama, no? Kasi may mga pagkakataon siya na binabangga niya. Pero
sometimes, yes.
All of a sudden, yung sinabi ni Atty. Vic Rodriguez, yung kanyang enemy to none, friend to all, at ang kanyang pivot from China to US, lahat ng ito, nakikita natin ang nangyari nang siya ay kinokontrol na ng asawa niya. Pero doon sa campaign period, nakikita mo yung kanyang pagsasalita coming from his heart, yung kanyang pagsasabi tungkol sa foreign policy. Did you, can you correlate that yung sinasabi ni Ma'am Lorraine na may side naman siya na gusto niyang gumawa ng tama, pero nangingibabaw yung pangingialam at pagmamanipula ng asawa sa kanya?
That's correct. That's correct. Meron siyang sarili niyang, meron siyang sarili niyang view na gusto niyang ilaban, pero at the end of the day, he would always lose to his wife.
And then wait, at the end of the day, further, to take it further, the buck stops with you. I mean, you cannot blame your dog, you cannot blame your wife, you cannot, if you're president, it's a very lonely job. I saw it with PRRD. No, the buck stops with you. You cannot, because my wife is like this. No, buck stops with you. No?
Atty. Glenn, yun ang sinabi ni Pangulong Duterte ngayon sa kanya. It's on you. Now, so kung gusto mo mag-gera sa China, desisyonan mo. Kung gusto mong ipakonstruct muli ang BRP Sierra Madre, nobody can prevent you. Do it because it's on you, it's your call. Pero panindigan mo yan. Not because may nagsusulsol sa'yo, yun ang gusto mong gawin, panindigan mo.
May question ako, ha? May question. Kasi kaibigan mo sila dati, di ba?
Kaibigan dati.
Yeah, you would think that after having gone through that monumental thing in their lives where they were deposed, kicked out, and they were kicked out of the country, you would think that they would have learned something from it. And once in a while, I get to talk to Senator Amy, and I see that she has learned from it.
Yes.
She says she's so angered by that People's Initiative kasi sinabi niya, ayan na nga yung batikos sa atin, yung term extension, tapos gagawin nyo pa, di ba? And yet, so you would think that they would have learned something from it, and yet, he's doing the very same thing. And not only that, itong kahihiyan sa corruption, very brazen. So, what is that? Could you explain that to us, attorney?
Well, of course, si Senator Amy, yun yung Marcos na natuto talaga. Yun yung Marcos na natuto. I think ito si Bongbong also learned. But he got swayed to the other side by the wife.
Nahihila siya doon.
It's actually the wife running the show. It's si wifey ang controller dyan lahat.
With the collusion of Martin Romualdez.
Yes, kasi partner na niyan dati. Kasi di ba yung anak niyang si Sandro, pina-tutor niya doon sa office ni Martin Romualdez when he was Congress.